Everyone, today we are going to discuss spontaneous process or irreversible process. So spontaneous process or spontaneous reaction is that reaction which takes place on its own. So very first thing is spontaneous. All spontaneous reaction take place on their own, and remember they are unidirectional. First next thing to be noted, I mean they proceed in one direction. Very important thing is they proceed in one direction, and the reaction continues until the equilibrium is established. So this is very important thing. Reaction continues till equilibrium is reached. And remember one thing, spontaneous process may be slow or fast. Yani they can be, spontaneous reactions can be fast or slow. Means spontaneity does not concern with the rate of the reaction. For example, neutralization reactions, I mean acid base reactions, are very fast and occur with a tremendous rate, whereas rusting up iron takes months together. I mean that is very slow process, but still both are spontaneous. Both processes take place on their own without the external influence. Now, the few examples of the spontaneous processes can be the flow of water from higher level to lower level, flow of water from higher level to lower level is spontaneous, and reverse cannot take place on its own. We need to take extra effort for that. Thus the flow of water from higher level to lower level is spontaneous. Another thing, flow of heat from hotter body to colder body, it is spontaneous process as well, whereas reverse is impossible. I mean flow of heat from colder body to hotter body cannot be expected on its own. And very important thing, melting up ice above 0 degree Celsius is spontaneous process as well. And number of examples for spontaneous processes can be given. Another very important and casual thing is hot coffee get colder on its own, but cold coffee cannot get warm by absorbing heat merely from the surrounding on its own. So these are some of the spontaneous processes. Thank you very much.